Yeah.
Merry Litmus.
Litmus?
Merry holiday time.
Happy Hanukkah.
Hey, and welcome to another episode of Between Two Bikes. So I've recently been on a trip from Vancouver, Canada, all the way down through the States and into Mexico for a couple of days, and then all the way back up the coast. So the route is as follows. I left here, head for Bend, Oregon, to Salt Lake City, to Denver, to Phoenix, and then into Mexico, and then back up the coast. So I'm going to take you on that journey with me. I've split it into a couple of episodes that I think would be cool. Anyways, let me know what you think. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Tell me hit me in the comments. Let me know where you think I could do better, or if you found anything interesting. Sweet, let's get on with it.
Hey guys, so this is my first stop on the way down to the Baja. I'm heading to Bend, Oregon. Bike's working out well. Inja's doing great in the back seat. He's just playing in the snow for now. You can see him over there. But yeah, everything's looking good. Woo! Inja and I just arrived at Spoken Moto, Bend, Oregon. The bike's still in the back, unfortunately, but it's almost riding with it. Oh my god, they have a dog that looks exactly like mine. It's amazing. The lady's hard at work. This feels like a corporate advert. Come work with us. This your bike? What's going on? What's going on the bottom there? Yeah. It's got a couple coffees going, eh? Litmus?
Merry holiday time.
Happy Hanukkah.
You guys are having fun?
Sneak peek of a product that's yet to be established.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Hey guys, next piece of this video is at Salt City Builds. It's a custom shop. It's a fixer-up shop. It's, you know, anything you need for motorbike stuff in Salt Lake. Super awesome, guys. But yeah, anyways, I lost a bunch of my footage from in there as well. It sucks. Anyhow, this is it.
Amazing. Oh, that's cool.
But yeah, I was going to finish welding that up and then be done with it for a week and then come back and get on it.
Yo, that's so rad, eh?
Yeah.
And the dog's rad too. I thought she was going to go bigger. I thought she was going to go to a dyno or something like with some jam.
I don't know. I mean, I think she's making a good call. Making a chopper out of an Evo Sportster is just a solid move in my opinion.
it's me from the edit once again. At this point in my footage, I lost a bunch of my SLR footage. The second time this has happened to me in the States, I have really bad luck. The last time my GoPro flew off my helmet, and I lost like half my trip. So the next clips are off of my phone from when I was on the Instagram, but you'll see what happened to us after we entered Mexico. It was quite a time. So this is what's happened. We're fucked. So I don't actually know what else to say, except, I mean, I could say why. I could say why there's mud and salt in my beard, and
The why doesn't matter.
the why doesn't
We're
even
here.
matter.
We're here.
We're fucked. But in other news, the sunset's fantastic. And I'm pretty sure this is not a cartel drug running route. I'm pretty sure, because their trucks would also get stuck. So it'd be pretty fucking dumb. Like, you'd have to be a fucking idiot to drive down here.
Yeah, you'd have to be real fucking stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially without a winch or max tracks or, anything to get you out of that. All right, kids, update time. We've made it to the sleep in Mexicali. It is a fucking long day. 6 hours of trying to dig out of that shithole. And finally, this Mexican guy got his buddy to come give us a tow out for 200 USD, which I understand I probably got ripped, but I had no other fucking options. And the sun was down, and we were less than pumped. And it was getting cold. And we're just really happy to be in somewhat clean sheets. So it's all good. It's all good. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you've made it this far in the video, the next video is going to have San Diego, LA on the bike. So it'll be more motorcycle riding stuff. So if that's what you came for, you'll get it on the next video. Cool. Thanks so much. Chill. Bye.